Hey guys, before even we get into this video, I want you guys to make that red subscribe button gray, to give a very big thumbs up, and also don't forget to slap that bell button. And without even talking, let's get into this video. Yo, what's up everyone, it's Sun up here, and before even we get into this video, I have a special announcement for you guys. As you know, I've been working on a server named BTS Army Dynamite, and many of you guys have joined my server, and it's a public server. It's free for all. Just verify yourself, complete the tasks, and read the rules. Easy. You'll get the latest announcement of BTS and Big Hit, and it's a friendly server. So I've been working on a thing for this couple of days or weeks or months. We now have our own server bot. The link is down in the description. If you want to add this bot to your Discord server, you can. It's an administration bot, but still I'm working on it. You need premium to enable a couple of features, for example tweets and other stuffs. I worked it by using bot ghost. Everyone can use. The link will also be down in the description. So let me show you guys. My server is new, so it's gonna take time to grow. So I want you guys to cooperate with me. Send invitation to your friends. So this bot is SNF, my new bot. I've been working on this. It has moderation, announcement. So moderation, you mean it has all the logging and commands. Then it has announcement, welcome and everything. Then it has automod, custom commands, level, search, auto roll, meme creator and usage, and others you have to use it premium. Yeah, the premium is kinda big, but no problem. Co-create, bot list, status, you have to buy the premium, including YouTube, Twitter, Reddit, Twitch, all the stuffs. You know, I don't want to even pronounce it. Never mind the things I need in my channel, in my server. I've got it. So yeah, what are you guys waiting for? Go invite that bot. The link will be down in the description. Description, what am I telling? Down in the description. Go invite that bot. It's super easy. Click the invite, verify, and give anything which you usually do with every bot. So without even wasting any time, let's get into the real video. Yo, what's up everyone, it's Sun up here, and I'm back with another video. And today we are going to do a simple task, a simple tutorial on how to set a MEE6 bot in your Discord server. It's the basic bot in each and every servers. I know some of you guys have been really confused how to set a bot in Discord server. So MEE6 is the basic bot. It's not even advanced. Even noobs can do it. So as you guys know, it's a series, so I'm gonna show you from everything, from each and everything. I'm gonna show you even bots which does not have dashboards, but first I'm gonna show you the bots which has dashboard. For example, Carbot, Serverbot doesn't have such. Just kidding. MEE6, Carbot, and other bots like does any of them have any? And yes, Probot. Anyway, never mind. Let's just get into this video. So yeah, what are you gonna do? Go to here, search MEE6 by using MEE6 Discord bot. Click in Discord bot, simply click here, go to add to server. I'm gonna add to my server, which is the friend zone. Set up MEE6, which are already given. Anyway, friend zone, continue. Administration, just make it all enable. Go authorize, and yeah, I just have to oh my gosh, I hate this when it comes to verify. Yep, finally it is finally verified. The dashboard is on, and now my server has a MEE6 bot. I'm gonna give it to bot. Now let's go. It doesn't need anything to do over here. The bot is connected to your server. Just go simply to the dashboard. Here's the link. I'm not gonna give the link because this is my bot. Okay, go to custom commands. There's a lot of things in MEE6 but dashboard. Custom commands, levels, welcome. There's a lot of things which does not need premium, but there's some few other things which needs premium. Without premium you can't. Go to custom commands. I don't have any custom commands. For example, auto roll advanced, this needs premium. So go to text commands. These are all the things. For example, private, if anyone joins the server, it'll gonna send the bot a send the member a private message. I'm not gonna show it to you guys right now. What the hell is happening? cancel, and let's go to plugin. Here's the levels. So what I'm gonna do, I don't have levels, do I? Okay, I don't need any current channel. Let's go to, no, not current channel, custom channel. Please select a channel. Okay, let's go to do I even have any color roles, talented roles? What the hell is talented roles? Friendly, what? Memories, role suggestions, server suggestions, announcements, I guess. Okay, let's go to announcement, or let's just go to general, as it's okay, GG, you just yep, thank you. Go, just give us something like this one, it's good, and it's gonna send you like this. Look, go save here. Now it will gonna show you how many ranks. It's gonna show the ranks. For example, this one, level 12. I'm in level 12. Oh, nice. I'm in well, wait, what? I'm in level 12. Nice. Then yep, it has everything. Let's go to plugins again. Go to welcome. You wanna welcome someone? Click here, send a message when a user joins. I'm gonna tell, have a wonderful, what am I typing? Wonderful time here. I hope the sentence is, have a wonderful time here. Okay. Now, oh shit, my mouse is over there. Okay, no problem. I'm gonna click welcome, set welcome, and save. You can also unlock this one, but you can customize it. It will be like this, but I prefer you should really have a type of this. But yeah, I guess. Let's go to send a private message. So don't mind, I'm just gonna copy my one, the one I have in Smiles and Frowns. It's kind of good. So let's go to welcome, private message. I'm gonna copy this. It's just an example, so you don't need to worry. Let's go to friend zone. It takes a lot of time. Let's go to private message. And oh, I did it 2 times. Okay, no problem. You can also send this, but I prefer no need to. But if you want, you can. I'm just gonna enable it. Give a role to a new users. You just need to verify yourself. You don't need to just like give. But as it a friend zone, I'm just gonna give it. Does it have any? I'm just gonna give it to friends. Maybe yeah, friends is better. Then go to send a user. It will gonna send a message when the member is gonna leave, but it will gonna send a message to your server, not to that member, I guess, because I really don't. Okay, okay, never mind. Choose goodbye, and yep, everything is done. So here it is. We've done plugins, and let's go to search anything. I'm just gonna close one. Anyway, it's a friend zone. Should I? No, I don't want any. Thank you. No need. Let's go to record. I don't need to record music. Yep, everything is good, but some of this needs kinda premium. For example, add playlist and volume needs to premium, nothing else. Go to moderator. Okay, non-moderator. Let's go to, oh my gosh. Okay, help enables helps. Help is enabled. Let's go to, don't even have to worry about anything. Go to audit logging. Give a super server suggestions. Actually, you don't need any logins if you have a lot of things. For example, let's go over here. For example, bad words. Let's go to settings and set some bad words. For example, okay, ignore channels. Actually is each and every channels. So yep, as which is always in here. Then kinda damn, which is actually not a bad word. Now it will gonna do, if you use it, it'll gonna warn you and then delete. Go over here, and one more thing, I forgot about this, but no, never mind. Go over here. So what you're gonna do, you wanna mute anyone. So yeah, mute for 3 I'm gonna give 2. Then 30 minutes you're gonna keep that. If he gets worse, I'm gonna keep him mute. Easy. Then go to add another one, mute again, but this time for 5. Sorry guys, there was a problem, but never mind. Okay, this is all it. Then go to save. It'll gonna meet you, and let's just try if it happens. So right now I don't have any. That's the worst thing ever. I forgot how to use it. It's gonna take time for me. Never mind. So this is all it. Disable. Oh yeah, delete message and warn members. What I'm gonna do, if he uses these bad words, it'll gonna delete the message itself, and we're gonna warn that member. And what I'm going to do, it'll gonna mute him and mute him for at least 30 minutes. Then after, when he gets again 5 words, it'll gonna mute him for 3 hours or 2 hours. So it's super easy. You don't need to worry about anything for your server when you're gone. So let's go to plugins, then which is timers. I'm not gonna use it because it's not that much. Maybe a few times. You don't need the music quiz. No. Twitch. Let's go to Twitter. Yes, enable Twitter. Why is it taking time? I don't know. Let's use, it's a friend zone, so let's search memes. I don't know if the memes will work or not, because I don't know if there's any good memes. Dark memes, blah blah blah. Okay, meme titles. I don't know if there's a good memes. Dank memes. Now you're telling me. Funny memes. Okay, let's go to dank memes. Send it in memes channel, and yep, and save it. You can use another one, but you're gonna need premium, so it's up to you. You wanna buy or not. Let's go to YouTube, and after that click here, Discord, and let's see if anything comes or not. Yeah, Discord is over here. Now let's go to announcement and save. It's saved, and boom, we are all perfect. So what I'm gonna do, it's gonna send itself messages to this server. For example, friendly roles. It doesn't have anything, I forgot. Never mind. But if there'll be any announcement in of Discord, it is gonna send that announcement in here. For example, I'm gonna show you. For example, it's the server. So here it is, big hit announcement. It's from Twitter. For that, the most important announcements will be in your announcement servers. For this is the big hit announcement from Twitter, and you wanna see from YouTube, here it is. You can watch the video over here. So for memes, memes is kinda rather not kinda okay. Memes is not in all of my servers, but if you want a meme, you can actually go to this server. I don't know what the meme is, but I really want to tell memes are the best things when you want to make your server grow, and it doesn't make any sense. I don't know what I'm saying right now, guys. Anyway, never mind. I'm just gonna close this video over here. I hope you all enjoyed this video. So this is what MEE6 looks like. It's super easy. It's up to you. You can customize it in any way. You can use any type of messages to interact with your members to make friendly this server. You can make it friendly or SFW or whatever you want, but I'm gonna make it friendly because I love friendly modes, not any rules. So yeah, this is all about. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to make that red subscribe button great, to give a very big thumbs up, and also don't forget to slap that bell button because that helps me a lot. That helps me a lot. And also I want to tell that invite my bot, guys, please. It's super easy, and it's the most simplest bot, almost like MEE6, but it does not have all the functions and abilities, but I'm still working on it. I'm gonna make sure it has all the roles. For example, auto roles, announcements, each and everything, but it does need premium, so you have to buy it with premium. But for me, it doesn't need premium. I've added it to this server. Here it is, SNF. So hope you guys will gonna use this bot because it's super easy. My bot is super easy, but it's not verified. I'm gonna verify it soon, I hope so. And okay, hope you all enjoyed this video. Peace out.